What if I told you this entire music video was made with zero editing skills? No timeline, no plugins, no tool switching. Yes, you literally just type an idea, and an AI builds the entire music video for you. This is Dramaland, and it might be the easiest way to create a music video in 2026.
Thought in my head, now it's on screen. Turn one small sketch to a whole scene. Storyboard scribble, now we outside. One take, two take, cut to the sky. Lens cap off, every frame top. Turn what if to a slow walk off. I don't chase.
Now let me show you exactly how this works and how you can create your music videos using Dramaland AI. The process is super simple. Step 1. Go to drama.land. Then, type your music video concept, the vibe, the mood, the story. That's it. No timelines, no cuts, no layers. Step 3. Let the all-in-one AI agent handle everything. The AI handles your scenes, visuals, transitions, and the music video structure.
Yeah. Dramaland. Press play. Yeah, drop play. Thought in my head, now it's on screen. Turn one small sketch to a whole scene. Storyboard scribble, now we outside. One take, two take, cut to the sky. Lens cap off, every frame top. Turn what if to a slow walk off. I don't chase trends, I invent tags. Every wild dream goes in the drag bag, yeah. Welcome to Dramaland, where thought hits and the world expands. Snap one finger, whole set in my hand. See the spark flip straight to a master plan. Dramaland, every crazy note grows into a brand. From a late night line to a global chant. If I could think it, I could shoot it. Dramaland.
Let's see other music videos created with Dramaland.
You fold paper boats on the coffee table. Name every one for a different place. Say, someday soon I'll chase that water. Then laugh as they sink in a chipped glass vase. We are paper boats at dusk, drifting slow on stories, drifting slow on trust. If the current turns, if the sky goes rough, I will hold your hand, I will call your bluff. We are paper boats at dusk. You trace old maps on a wrinkled napkin, mark little X's where your heart's been cracked. I say, leave a space for the roads we're making. You tuck that thought in your backpack. We are paper boats at dusk, drifting slow on stories, drifting slow on trust. If the current turns, if the sky goes rough, I will hold your hand, I will call your bluff. We are paper boats at dusk. Oh, stay with me. We are paper boats at dusk.
What you yelling for? Lay back, it's all been done before. And if you could only let it be, you will see I like you the way you are. When we're driving in your car and you're talking to me one-on-one, but you become somebody else round everyone else. You're watching your back like you can't relax. You try to be cool, you look like a fool to me. Tell me, why'd you have to go and make things so complicated? I see the way you're acting like you're somebody else, gets me frustrated. Life's like this, you when you fall and you crawl and you break and you take what you get and you turn it into honesty and promise me I'm never gonna find you faking. No, no, no. Dramaland.
So if you've always wanted to create a music video, but editing felt complicated or overwhelming, this changes everything. Just type your idea and let the AI do the rest. That's Dramaland. Check it out using the link below and start creating your own music video today. If you found this video helpful, kindly support my channel by liking this video. Share it to other content creators like you and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.